I got a question where someone had said that they are having a hard time getting clients on LinkedIn. And they weren't sure if it was just them or it was something that everybody experiences. And I can tell you, you're not alone in feeling like that because LinkedIn, while it is a very vast place with lots of business professionals, can also be a very challenging place to get clients. And I want to share with you a couple of tips, two to be precise, for things that you could start doing now on LinkedIn that are going to help you. For those of you who don't know me, it's Prouty, and for the last 21 years, I have helped thousands of entrepreneurs and experts wildly grow their businesses, but not how you might think. If you're new to my channel, now would be a genius time to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications so that you get an alert every single time I create new content like this. If you are serious about growing your business, I am offering a free workshop that's going to show you the things that you can start doing right away to clear the chaos and stop guessing. All you have to do is go to proutyclass.com. My clients come to me because they want to attract more clients from social media, but they don't want to spend a lot of time doing it and they don't want to guess, because spending a lot of time doing it removes your ability to service your clients, and guessing can be very frustrating when things don't work. And even though my clients have this tremendous opportunity to serve the people that they're inspired to serve, they feel like they're being ignored online. So we fix that with step-by-step plans that have been scientifically proven to reduce the amount of time you spend online and increase the amount of clients that you get. So the question that I got today was a compelling one, and it was somebody expressing very openly their frustration with getting clients from LinkedIn. As I mentioned earlier, LinkedIn has 800 million registered users, 300 million show up every single month. So your clients are there and they are looking for the solution that you offer. The problem is, if you're not in front of them, then they have no idea that you exist. It's like yelling into the wind and having no one there to hear you. So we want to fix that. And there are two keys to fixing that. And if you're able to grasp these two things, it's going to change the way that you present yourself on LinkedIn, and it's going to get many more people exposed to your solution, and it's going to get more people coming to you. And by the way, if you are interested in really unlocking how to use LinkedIn to grow your business, or Facebook or Instagram or any social media for that matter, please go to proutyclass.com and sign up for the free workshop that I'm giving. You know, I remember when I first started using LinkedIn, I thought I could just pop onto LinkedIn every once in a while, put out some content, my perfect audience was going to see it and they were going to start coming to me. Well, it didn't really happen that way. And it took a lot of trial and error, and it also took using the scientific process of hypothesizing, experimenting, testing, collecting information, and then feeding that information back into a whole new hypothesis before I was able to uncover the exact strategy that works on LinkedIn. And I want to share with you a couple of tips, two to be precise, for things that you could start doing now on LinkedIn that are going to help you. So the first tip is about consistency. It's about showing up on LinkedIn every single day and producing great content. Consistency over time is going to increase your exposure to your target market. And just put very simply, the more you're putting out there, the more you're going to be seen. And there are lots of data points that I could cite for you on how many times you need to be seen over how long a period of time, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that you're showing up every single day, and you have to show up every single day for weeks and weeks and weeks in order to build that momentum. So the first tip I want to give you is consistency, showing up every single day and contributing to the platform. The second tip that I want to give you is to create content that educates your consumer. The amount of money that you make, the amount of people that you serve, is directly related to the amount of education that you put out into your market. People want to be educated on the solution that you offer. The more you can educate them in your content, the more likely they're going to be to see you as an expert, somebody who has authority, and someone that they can trust. So create educational content all the time. Just keep educating, kind of like what I'm doing right now. The more videos that I make like this, the more people come to me looking for the solution that I offer, which is teaching them the precise steps they need to take to attract more clients. And by the way, since I mentioned it, if you go to proutyclass.com, my last name, Prouty, class.com, you can sign up for a free workshop, spend about an hour with me, and learn the things that you need to start doing right away to attract more clients to your business. Even if you're already attracting clients, I want to show you how to get more. And while what I just showed you is important, it might not be all you need, which is why I'm going to put a link for another video that I want you to watch right now on how to attract clients into your business. And if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel and get alerts every time I create new videos like this.